How to clear all watch history on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can clear all watch history on YouTube. For this, you first of all want to open the YouTube app on your device. Now, normally YouTube has the record of all the videos you have watched over here. However, if for some reason you want to clear all of your watch history, then follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here you have the option of history. Tap on the view all option. Now all the videos that you have watched is going to appear over here. If you want to delete any one of that, simply tap on these three dots next to that and then tap on the remove from watch history option. Now, you can do this for whichever video you want. However, if you want to clear all the watch history at the same time, then for that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then from here, tap on the option of clear all watch history. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. Tap on clear watch history option. As soon as you do that, all of your history will be cleared, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.